gonna tell you all about your world. You're the best boy that ever loved. It's the way I ever loved. No, 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 no way. No, 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 no way. Oh, really love you.
Well-rounded girl. And most of all, they've taught me to stand up for what I believe in.
You really don't you. I say ya, I knew, I know
You're gonna
love it.
And I feel like it
Ano pa?
And her love will always love you. Will always love you. Mami, ito daw yung pangkanto mo. Pag mali. And I will always love you.
If your feelings are that strong for me,
Love you.
I'm willing to go out on a limb and try for something.
Love you. Ang umaga, kahit sa dilim, kahintay pa rin.
This is the first time that I've ever stood up my mom because I put my foot down and been successful with it.
Kahit sa dilim, ang hintay pa rin kaya ako'y
Listen, I'm not going to do interview.
Hindi nanuluha.
I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm serious. I've got my feelings hurt.
ang umaga,
Get me in
kahit
the
sa
car.
luha.
I'm leaving paradise with Ashley a broken heart.
Si